Hi Beauty Squad, welcome to Amish Beauty Creators channel. So today guys, I just decided to create this look for you, the autumn look, this smoky eye. So guys, if you are new, you are more than welcome into this channel, and thank you to my subbies, and thank you for sharing my videos and watching them. I really appreciate you guys. So if you want to see how I created this look, please stay tuned and watch how I achieve this look. Okay, I love you guys. See you in the next video. Okay, I have done my brows. I applied the what you call primer, and I have corrected my face. So now I'm using this, focus please, I'm using this foundation on my face. There's no need for this because the brush has blended the foundation well. Actually, I'm not looking for a full coverage, guys. It's just to have something because it's very hot outside, and I still need that what you call natural look. Take it down, and now I'm taking this concealer, Fit Me, sorry, yes, my belly. So with this one, I'm just you see this black mark there, it's still showing. And on this other side it has covered well. Let me just apply again because I mean okay. Now let's set, I'm setting with the Yardley loose powder. Okay, now I have to set the rest of my face with this LA Girl pressed powder in a shade warm caramel. Now it's time for eyes. I'll be using this palette and using that shade for a transition color. Sorry, this shade here for my transition shade. I don't know what look should I go for. I think I will go for a smoky eye. I guess, yeah. I feel like doing a smoky eye. Which brush should I use? Okay, I'm taking this fluffy brush. And then next, I'm taking this nude palette. So with this, I'm going to take this second shade here. Sorry. And I will be using this flat brush. Okay, and then I'm going with this dark purple on top of the shade that I have applied. So now I'm going to apply into my lower lash. Okay. I'm happy with my eyes. So now I'm taking LA Girl shade Chestnut for contour. And using my contour brush from Color. I'm setting my face with this setting spray. It's time for highlighter. I'm taking my faint brush. On my lips, I'm taking this last. Should I be using that? Okay guys, so this is my final look. And I'm in love with this look. So I don't know guys what you think about the smoky eyes. So if you want to create something like this, you can do it. And I think this is going to be like my everyday look. Although, yeah, I think in winter I will be going for this look. And I like the way I did my hair. Guys, if you want to see hair tutorials from me, just let me know on the description box with your comments, so that I will know that I have to create also the hairs for you, like how I do my hair. Love with this